This setup right here runs AI on my own machine, and it costs me nothing. Meanwhile, most people are paying every month. And every time they paste their business into AI, they're helping big tech train their systems and then buying it back. In this video, I'll show you how to build your own AI system, step by step, and actually use it for real work. Most people will stop at using tools. The advantage goes to the people who build systems. Let's build this right now. Step 1. Install Ollama. Open your browser. Go to Google. Search Ollama. Click the official website, download it for your system, and install it like any normal app. Once it's installed, open it. Now we give it a brain. Open your terminal. Type Ollama run Qwen 2.5. Press enter. This will download the model and start running it locally. This is your AI running on your machine. Now understand this. Models come in different sizes. The bigger the model, the better the output, but also the more memory you need. Start small, then upgrade. Now this is where it becomes powerful. Go to Google, search OpenClaw. Open the official website, scroll down to the installation section. You'll see a command. Copy it. Now open your terminal, paste the command, and press enter. This will install OpenClaw. Give it a minute. Now we connect everything. When setup starts, confirm personal use. Select Quick Start. Now choose Model Provider. From the Model Provider list, select Ollama. Leave the port as default. Set mode to local. Select your model, Qwen. Choose Web UI. And now, your system is live. Let's test it. Type, summarize my latest emails. Or write a reply to a customer asking about pricing. This is your AI, running locally, doing real work. Before, you use tools, you pay, and your data leaves your system. After, you own the system. Your data stays with you, and it works for you. Most people won't go this far. They'll stay comfortable. And that's why the advantage goes to the few who do. Now you can automate tasks, run routines, connect apps. You can even connect this to tools like email and automate workflows. And the difference is simple. You control this system, not a company somewhere else. And this is just the beginning. Next, you train it. People using AI tools compete. People building AI systems win. That's Project Sovereign. Join Device Terra. Subscribe if you want to go deeper. Let's change the game.